Hi, my name is Dawood, the president and founder of Dawood Engineering. In 1992, Dawood Engineering's journey began with a simple goal to do great work for our clients and become a key partner in bringing their projects from concept to reality. We're a leading civil engineering firm headquartered in Pennsylvania with offices throughout Pennsylvania, Massachusetts, and Poland.
Over the years, we've led major projects for transportation agencies like the Pennsylvania Turnpike Commission, Pennsylvania Department of Transportation, and Massachusetts Department of Transportation. Our lead role extends to cities like Boston, Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, and Harrisburg. We also support major energy and utility companies building gas, electric, and renewable sites across the United States.
Dawood's transportation team, representing more than half our work, is involved in major infrastructure projects throughout the Northeast. We design complex multimodal, highway, traffic, and bridge projects. Beyond civil design, our services include geotechnical engineering, environmental permitting, municipal engineering, planning, and financial management.
For everything that we do, geospatial technology is a key component of infrastructure delivery on every project. We are a leading-edge surveying and mapping company in all the markets that we serve. Like Woolpert, Dawood employs the latest technology in terrestrial scanning, mobile LiDAR, and digital twin modeling.
For over 3 decades, we've been charting the same strategic course as Woolpert, building an industry-leading AEG team. Our experts help developers, institutions, hospital systems build the infrastructure that makes our economy go. Now we're excited to be joining the WoolPack, adding a robust presence in key Northeast U.S. markets and expanding our presence internationally. Dawood's history of collaboration with Woolpert and its companies Murphy Geospatial and Blue Sky underscores our collective ability to deliver for our clients.
Most importantly, Dawood is proud to join a team that shares our common values. Together, we are a focused, progressive, high-performing team. We support and develop our talented professionals while building lasting client relationships.